Welcome back to the Crazy Gang, and it's Neon Parrot giveaway. How excited are we? Good luck to you all. A winner will be chosen at random tomorrow night. You have to bear with me because I'm sitting in my car just before going to work, having my breakfast and my coffee. So, good luck everybody. What this video is just for the Neon Parrot giveaway, and I'm also going to just show you basically going on to a normal server and trying to get people to sub, and show you how I try and get my subs. I hope you're all alright. I'm good after all the drama. As you can still see, I still have Extreme Danny on my wall because for 6 months he was one of my closest friends, and me and him did help a lot of kids out. So it would just be wrong of me just to take him off my wall. Despite all what's happened, I wish him all the best. So yeah, that's all over with for me. Got enough going on being a single mum, having a doggy, working 5 days a week, and doing this for you guys so you guys can have your pet. Now what I do want to know is, can you also, I know you're going to comment on this video to win the Neon Parrot, but can you also comment what your dream pet is? Because I would really want to know. But you can't go over the top. Don't tell me Mega Shadow, Mega Bat, because yeah, that's all our dream pets. But something sort of lower than that. And what I will do is the end of the week, next week, I will give someone their dream pet, as long as it's realistic. I can't go getting a Mega Shadow or a Mega Bat Dragon or a Mega Crow or anything like that. So as long as it's realistic, I will do my best to get one of you at the end of next week your dream pet. Okay? So let's go to the server and see what it's like. Oh, Ellie! She's one of my best friends on here. So we'll go to a server and see if we can get some more subs. Okay, so I am on a server and I'm trying to get some subs. See how people go. And ignore that part. Okay, so let's see. Okay. And someone's run off with my Neon Parrot. And she keeps stealing. Stop stealing my parrot! Let's see if we could get some subs. Oh my god, now I'm chatting, I don't know what I'm doing at the minute. Right, let's see if we can get some subs coming in. So they say please me, but you need to enter. Oh, I hate phones. Using a phone, I really need an iPad. But the sort of mum I am, I buy my daughter a £350 iPad and carry on using my phone. Oh dear. Love my girl. Love you, Kaya. They want to know my channel, so let's tell them. See, this is... I can't even see myself. Where am I? Okay. I don't even think they know they're on my video. Let's tell them. So we've got Charlie. Who else is on here? Ellie, she's one of my best friends. Can't even say that name. Pro game. I need my neon parrot back so I can show people. Ellie accidentally deleted me. And someone's saying they're going to sub. So hopefully we'll get some more subs. And I'll post this video today. And what you need to do is, you can't even see me, please comment down below, just one comment please, to enter for a neon parrot. I will draw the winner tomorrow night. Good luck to you all. And yeah. Also, don't forget to comment your dream pet. So the end of next week, I want to give someone their dream pet. Okay? But please, not a mega bat or a mega shadow or anything like that. Only certain things I can make come true, I'm afraid. So yeah, good luck, and we'll see you later tomorrow to announce the winner.